tide pulled low. 3 old masters rest in a golden glow. Brush strokes whisper from years gone by, holding truths time cannot deny. Their colors speak in a gentle tone of lessons learned and seeds once sown. A quiet space where the soul can see what the past still offers free. On the gallery wall they stand so tall, timeless wisdom calling to all, guiding hearts through the world we face with ancient strength and steady grace. In the stillness their voices blend, showing where the pathways bend. Every line holds a story deep, treasures the years have sworn to keep. A bridge between the then and now, teaching us what life will allow. The presence brings a sacred peace, a moment where wandering thoughts can cease, inviting minds to pause and hear lessons shining crystal clear. On the gallery wall they stand so tall, timeless wisdom calling to all, guiding hearts through the world we face with ancient strength and steady grace. In the stillness their voices blend, showing where the pathways bend. From the past we learn how to shape the dawn,